So here's the old man out in the field at Halpatiokee playing with his new DJI Mini Pro 4. Trying to figure out how this thing works. Pretty funny, huh? Well, just watch. Pretty cool drone. It's got a lot of automatic features. In this video, I'll try to get the follow me to work and also show the point of interest where it circles around. In this setting, the drone circles a 360-degree run at a preset height and speed, which can be changed during the run. Pretty cool feature if you're looking at buildings and stands, things like that. Okay, now, where the hell did you go? Oh, there you are. I see you now. Pretty cool, but that's enough round and round for me. Don't want to fall down. A little bit of camera bounce here, but the wind was very strong. Come on, follow me home, little buddy. That's a good boy. What a good drone. Uh-oh, almost ran into me there. Thankful for that collision avoidance. Transmitter was saying something, but I couldn't quite make it out. Too much automatic features, but very cool. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this funny video. Here we are now, safe and sound on the ground. Another successful flight with ace pilot Captain Ron. Over and out.